Here's how to make a link on your iPhone. Now, let's open up a web browser like Safari or Google Chrome, and I'm going to walk you through some examples. Let's, for instance, just go to apple.com. And let's say one example is you want to make a link from this website onto the home screen of your iPhone. To be able to do that, we're going to tap on the share icon at the bottom center. And then all we need to do is scroll down a little bit. And you can see as we scroll down, it gives you a bunch of different options on here. And the option that we're looking for is add to your home screen. So you can see midway down, tap add to home screen. And you can see just like this, it says Apple will be the text that will show up. It'll have the Apple logo and it'll take us to apple.com. You can just hit add here and I'll show you what it does. Essentially, it adds sort of what looks like an app file, but if we tap on it, it just opens up Safari or Google Chrome if that's what you use, and it'll pop up and load that specific link. Now, another option is, say you're on a website and you wanted to create a link from this website, and from here, you want it to share it through text or email. We're going to tap on the share icon again at the bottom center. And now it pops up with the ability to, say, send it as a text message. So you can tap on, say, a specific person, and then you can see it pops up with that specific person, and it has that link right there. Or I can just generically tap on messages and start typing in whoever's name I want to send this link to. You can also do the same thing for email, for your notes, if you want to put in there, Instagram, Facebook, all those things. Now, keep in mind, let's say you just want the link to your copied clipboard. You can scroll down and just hit copy here. And I'll show you what that looks like. Let's just go into the Notes app here, and I can tap at the cursor and hit paste. And you can see it pastes in that link from that website. If I hit done here, you can see it has the underline under it. I can just tap on it to load up that specific website. Keep in mind, you might want to have the URL instead of a hyperlink where it just says Apple. You might want it to show the full URL text. You can do that by tapping at the very bottom where it shows apple.com. And I can tap on it and I can hit copy and just copy the actual text from that URL and again, share that with whoever I want. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys.